D-face masks have become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people look for natural and cost-effective ways to take care of their skin. These homemade masks can be made with a variety of ingredients that are readily available in most kitchens, and they can provide a wide range of benefits for the skin. In this article, we will discuss the steps needed to create a D-face mask, as well as the benefits of using these types of masks. The first step in creating a D-face mask is to gather all of the necessary ingredients. The most common ingredients used in these types of masks include honey, yogurt, avocado, oatmeal, and turmeric. Each of these ingredients has its own unique benefits for the skin, and they can be used in a variety of combinations to create a mask that is tailored to your specific needs. Once you have all of the ingredients you need, you will need to mix them together in a bowl. The best way to do this is to start with a base ingredient, such as yogurt or honey, and then add the other ingredients as needed. For example, if you are using yogurt as your base, you may want to add a few tablespoons of oatmeal and a pinch of turmeric to create a soothing and exfoliating mask. Once your ingredients are mixed together, you will need to apply the mask to your face. It is best to do this in a clean and dry environment, and you should avoid applying the mask to any areas of your face that are irritated or broken out. It is also important to be gentle when applying the mask, as you do not want to cause any irritation to your skin. Once your mask is applied, you will need to leave it on your face for at least 15 minutes. This will give the ingredients time to penetrate your skin and provide the benefits they are known for. After the 15 minutes, you can remove the mask with a warm washcloth. There are many benefits to using a D-face mask. For example, honey is a natural antibacterial agent and is great for fighting acne. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help to exfoliate and brighten the skin. Avocado is rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, which can help to moisturize and nourish the skin. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant that can help to soothe irritated skin. And turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to even out skin tone. Creating a D-face mask is a simple and cost-effective way to take care of your skin. These masks can provide a wide range of benefits, and they can be tailored to your specific needs. Whether you are looking to fight acne, exfoliate, or moisturize your skin, there is a D-face mask that can help. And the best part is that you can make them in the comfort of your own home with ingredients you already have. It's important to note that not all ingredients are suitable for all skin types. It's always best to patch test before applying it to your face. Also, if you have sensitive skin, it's best to avoid using ingredients that may cause irritation. In conclusion, D-face masks are a great way to take care of your skin in a natural and cost-effective way. With a little creativity and some basic ingredients, you can create a mask that is tailored to your specific needs and can provide a wide range of benefits for your skin. So next time you're looking for a way to pamper your skin, give a D-face mask a try.